stripping away the outer layers to find the treasure. The decortication process extracts the long fibers.
Thorough washing removes natural sap and dirt.
Sun-dried to perfection for optimal softness.
Bundling the raw material for transport. Fibers are opened and carded to align them.
Creating a uniform web for spinning. Twisting into strong, durable yarn.
The result is a silky, breathable thread.
Preparing yarns for fabric construction.
Knitting the yarn into soft fabric tubes. Interlocking loops for stretch and comfort.
The fabric rolls off the line, ready for dyeing.
Testing the natural stretch and recovery.
Entering the zero-waste dyeing process.
Using only non-toxic, natural pigments.
The fibers absorb the color beautifully.
Removing moisture efficiently.
Heat setting the fabric dimensions.
Checking for color consistency.
Layering fabric for precision cutting. Optimizing patterns to eliminate scrap. Laser cutting seals edges without thread. Perfecting the shape of the BioBrief.
Parts sorted for the assembly line.
Aligning the panels for construction.
Stitching durable flat lock seams.
Ensuring stitch integrity for longevity. Attaching the soft, elastic waistband.
Adding the hygienic cotton liner.
Branding the final product is essential. The EcoSilk label represents our dedication to sustainable quality and craftsmanship.
Human eye quality control check. Saving thousands of liters of water.
Handcrafted with care.
Our water is treated and recycled.
Precision engineering for perfect fit. The heart of the textile operation.
Sourcing local agricultural waste. combing fibers into silk-like strands. High-speed knitting production. Scanning for imperfections.
A full day of sustainable production.
The cycle begins with nature.
Stronger and softer than cotton.
Natural bacterial retting process.
Using solar energy for drying. Creating the continuous thread.
Waxing for smooth knitting.
Ensuring consistent yarn tension.
Applying soft leg elastic.
Heat sealing the brand label.
Packaging the final product.
Shipping worldwide. The mark of sustainability.
Tracking our global impact.
Superior moisture wicking ability. Staying cool all day.
The beauty of undyed natural fiber.
Hygienic production environment.
No itchy seams, just soft edges. Even the smallest scraps are recycled.
Saving water with closed-loop tech.
From the earth, for the earth.
Four-way stretch for perfect fit.
The birth of a single garment.
Perfect color matching.
Vacuum hold for precision cutting.
Clean air extraction systems.
Skilled hands at work. Automatic thread trimming.
Eco-friendly packaging in action. %100% compostable packaging. On their way to you.
Farm to factory proximity.
Silky golden fibers.
Skein dyeing for variety. Automated camera inspection active. Continuous quality monitoring engaged.
High volume cutting capacity.
Component assembly. Wrinkle-free finish. Ready for retail. Incredible tensile strength.
Testing for color fastness.
Bulk packing for efficiency. Destination: the world.
From stem to fiber, then yarn, fabric, and finally, a finished panty. That is the complete journey.
Natural indigo dyeing.
Efficient drying process. Setting the fabric width. Securing the fabric for cutting. Precision curve cutting.
Even feed stitching. Joining the elastic loop.
Automatic turning process. Automatic turning process. Pressing the waistband. Consistent folding. Conveying to shipping. Sealing the carton.
Palletizing for shipment.
Wrapping the pallet. Heading to the warehouse. A new day of sustainability.
Thank you, nature. The EcoSilk BioBrief. Feel the difference. Zero waste commitment.